Plastic SCM is packaged in two ways. Plastic Cloud Edition is hosted in the cloud and designed for those who don't want to handle hardware and want to have the repos available 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Plastic Team Edition is the on-premise version of Plastic. We will use this package for this example. This way we will be able to show you how to configure a Plastic client and a Plastic server. Plastic SCM's installer is fairly straightforward. Read and accept the license, choose the installation directory, and choose the components you will want to install. Client and server are mandatory, but for these examples, the Visual Studio integration, as good as it is, will not be useful. Let's disable it. We are now presented with two important options. Choose the option Plastic SCM GUI if you want to use Plastic's full potential. This option will enable Plastic's complete GUI and functionalities. It is designed with developers in mind for them to manage branches, diffs, and merges as usual. The perfect option for software development. Choose, on the other hand, Plastic Gluon if you are an artist or a designer and don't want to handle the complexities of full-blown version control, but rather benefit from its goodies. It is extremely intuitive, with a built-in workflow designed for artists who do not require an advanced operation to develop their work. Once the installation is finished, the configuration process will start. Plastic SCM's client configuration wizard will auto-detect the local server, although you can do it yourself. Click on Connect to allow client and server to talk to each other. Once successfully connected, the Welcome panel will allow you to create a new project or connect to an existing one. I will choose to start a new project and Plastic SCM's client will open. Welcome to Plastic's GUI. The project is completely empty, since we just started a new one. Now you're ready to start using Unity plugin. You can now connect a Unity project to any Plastic project or download an existing Unity project into a Plastic repo. Let's get started.